Big4.com is pleased to release its 2011 Big Four Firms Performance Analysis, a one-of-a-kind study with unique insights into the world's largest accounting firms. The study has an exclusive review of 8 years of financial performance and shows interesting trends across firms, geographies, and service lines. Both 2009 and 2010 were tough years for Deloitte and Touche, Ernst Young, KPMG and PricewaterhouseCoopers, as the global economic crisis impacted their financial performance. Combined 2009 revenue for the four firms fell 7% to $94 billion from a record $101 billion in 2008. Revenue stabilized in 2010 to $95 billion, with an increase of 1.4% from 2009, as improving global economic fundamentals reflected in a moderate recovery. 2010 was a watershed turning point, and even this small positive percentage change was welcomed as early evidence of a sustained recovery. Current year 2011 results have been extraordinarily buoyant, with all service lines, industries, and geographies recording terrific growth from 2010, lifted by emerging countries, improvements in equity markets, and return to global economic growth. Combined 2011 revenue rose to historic high levels of $103 billion, up 9% from 2010. Ernst Young revenues grew the slowest at 7.6%, Deloitte grew at 8.4%, PricewaterhouseCoopers increased 10.0%, and KPMG grew the fastest at 10.1%. PricewaterhouseCoopers grew faster than Deloitte and posted 2011 revenues of $29.2 million, $400 million more than Deloitte, thus regaining its leadership position as the largest accounting firm on the planet. In terms of geography, Americas have 40% share of global combined revenues and noted a strong performance of 9.9% increase from 2010 to 2011. Europe has 44% share and increased 5.4% from 2010 to 2011, the slowest growing region due to regional uncertainty. Asian revenues have more than doubled from $7 billion in 2004 to $17 billion in 2011 and grew a spectacular 17.4% from 2010 to 2011. By service line, audit has 47% of total revenues and rebounded 5% from 2010 to 2011 after two soft years. Tax services rose 7% from 2010 to 2011, rebounding from declines seen earlier. Advisory has been the fastest growing service line for several years by increasing share from 22% in 2004 to 31% in 2011. Advisory revenues grew a strong 16% from 2010 to 2011. The Big Four firms employ 650,000 staff globally, with 35,000 partners overseeing 490,000 professionals. Net employment increased by 36,000 from 2010 to 2011. The outlook for 2012 and beyond is quite optimistic. Revenue is expected to grow at a good pace with help from strong emerging markets, advisory services, conversions to IFRS, and favorable economic conditions. 2012 will also prove whether PricewaterhouseCoopers can continue to be the leader and whether KPMG can overtake Ernst Young. A detailed performance PDF analysis can be downloaded at www.big4.com/analysis. You may reproduce or distribute parts or whole of this analysis, but prominent and full attribution should be given at all times to the 2011 Big Four Firms Performance Analysis by www.big4.com.